You know that feeling when you roll up your sleeves and there's just nothing there? You've been training, you're doing curls, but your biceps, they still look like regular arms? Here's the truth most lifters don't want to hear. It doesn't matter how long you've been working out. If you're not training your biceps intelligently, you're never going to build the kind of arms that stretch a sleeve. But that's what we're fixing today. In this video, I'm going to give you the only 3 exercises you actually need to build bigger biceps. Biceps that look big, even under a t-shirt. And by the end, you'll know exactly why your current routine might be holding you back and how to fix it. Let's get into it. First off, let's get something straight. Biceps are not just one muscle. Most guys think curls equals biceps. But the biceps have 2 heads, long and short. Then there's the brachialis, which actually sits under your biceps and pushes them up, making your arms look even bigger. And don't forget the brachioradialis, the thick muscle that runs down your forearm and adds to that powerful look. Now here's the mistake. If all you're doing is variations of standard curls, you're probably hitting the same part of the biceps over and over while ignoring the others. That's like trying to build a house by hammering the same nail repeatedly. It just doesn't work. So here's how we fix that. Each of the 3 exercises I'm about to show you targets your biceps from a completely different angle, behind the body, in front of the body, and beside the body. So you're hitting every part of the muscle every time you train. Let's start with the Bayesian curl, also called the behind the body cable curl. Most people have never heard of this, but it's a game changer. Here's why. When your elbow is behind your torso, it puts the long head of the biceps on stretch. That's the part responsible for that peak, the mountain, the pop. You'll set up sideways at a low cable, grab the handle, let your arm hang slightly behind your body, and then curl, keeping the elbow pinned behind you the entire time. It feels awkward at first, but once you lock it in, you'll feel it deep in the long head. And that's exactly what you want. Next up, we shift that elbow in front of the body. Now we're targeting the short head, the part that gives your arm width when viewed straight on. You've got 2 great options here. If your gym has a squat bench, great, use it. But my personal favorite, the spider curl. You lie face down on an inclined bench, chest pressed in, arms hanging straight down like a spider's legs. Then you curl. Because of the angle, there's no way to cheat. No momentum, just pure bicep tension right where you want it. And because your elbows are in front of your body the entire time, this movement lights up the short head like nothing else. And now we finish with the classic, the straight dumbbell curl, elbows tucked in right beside your torso. Simple, timeless, still one of the best. Why? Because this one gives you balanced activation of both heads of the biceps. And when done right, controlled tempo, no swinging, full squeeze at the top, this exercise ties everything together. You're not isolating just one head here, you're building harmony, thickness, balance, symmetry. In short, biceps that look amazing from every angle. There you have it. 1 exercise behind the body, 1 in front, 1 beside. Long head, short head, brachialis, everything gets hit, nothing gets skipped. And here's the kicker. Most guys spend hours doing 5, 6, 7 different biceps movements, when these 3, done right, are all you actually need. But remember, it's not just what you do, it's how you do it. Don't swing the weights, don't rush, don't lock out, keep constant tension, feel the burn, own every rep. Now go try this in your next arm session and give it a few weeks. If your sleeves aren't tighter by then, you weren't eating enough. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. And if you want more science-backed workouts that actually work, make sure to subscribe.